The ergonomically designed S5 safety cutter was created with safety, efficiency, and multitask integration in mind. Film cutting with the 3-in-1 S5 offers extreme versatility and is a natural complement to the production environment. Cut plastic shrink wrap from pallets or shipments with ease, then immediately begin stocking your merchandise, all with the same tool. Seamlessly, without interruptions caused by lost tools, you are ready for work with the S5 3-in-1 Safety Cutter. This groundbreaking tool was conceived for maximum functionality, from the innovative film cutting tool to the advanced box cutting features for which our products are known and trusted worldwide. Effectively combining box cutting, tape splitting, and film cutting all into one safe and efficient tool, the S5 Safety Cutter makes the cut from the warehouse to the shelf. Starting with the film cutter, here's how easy it is to get started. To start, slide the operating button by pressing down and back to activate the film cutter. The film cutter will swing open, which immediately locks the box cutting blade into the locked position. By preventing the box cutting blade from being extended, the film cutter safety lockout prevents unnecessary and inadvertent cut injuries. Rotate the film cutter out 180 degrees until it stops and clicks in place. You are now ready to quickly and safely cut plastic shrink wrap or plastic banding. Avoid twisting the cutter excessively, since the blade is designed for straight cuts through shrink wrap film. Film cutter replacement. Replacement film cutters are available to order and equipped with long-lasting stainless steel blades for extended durability. Film cutter replacement is equally simple and to the point. With the film cutter in the open position, simply depress the release pin to its stop position with a pen or other such common instrument, and the film cutter is easily removed and replaced. When the new film cutter is inserted, push the release pin back into its closed position. You are now ready to resume film cutting. To return to box cutting mode, swing the film cutter into the closed position. When the film cutter is properly secured, the button will elevate and will produce an audible clicking sound. That easy, that safe. You are now ready for box cutting. Before we get started, here are some built-in safety features that should be useful while doing your job. The S5's unique color coding makes it easy to distinguish. High visibility green for right-handed and red for left-handed. To further identify the cutter, a user ID box on the back allows each individual to personalize his or her cutters. Another convenient feature is the easily accessible blade storage compartment that holds up to 5 replacement blades. At the front of the blade guard, the metal tape splitter can be used for cutting down the center flaps of a box without an exposed blade. The durable metal channel is coated with a protective black electrodeposition coating that adds additional wear protection to the guard and gives smoother button operation. In the top cut position, the safety blade guard protects the user during cutting operations and safely covers the blade. The blade exposure safety window provides the user with a visual reminder of the blade position. The S5 features a patented single-notch safety point blade. The single notch allows for positive alignment when loading the blade. The blunted safety point blade also helps reduce the chance of cutting merchandise and puncture wounds. There are 3 cutting positions available: top cut for box tops and 2 tray cuts for single and triple corrugated boxes. Resting the controlled angle safety guard on the top of the carton puts your wrist in an ergonomically correct neutral arm position, allowing the cutter to follow the top of the box for a clean, straight cut every time. The guard also sets the angle and depth of your cut, virtually eliminating damaged merchandise. And the S5's guard is made from rigid sheet metal so it won't bend or break under heavy workloads. Always keep your thumb on the safety guard when cutting, and always begin your cut at the front corner of the box. Remember, always keep your opposite hand out of the line of the cut. The S5's 2 tray cut positions help protect both the person using the cutter and valuable merchandise by presetting blade depth for either a double or triple corrugated box. The S5 uses the safety point blade, making blade change with the S5 as easy as our other S4 model cutter. Press the release lever on the bottom of the cutter with your thumb and with your opposite thumb, slide the button into the forward or blade change position. Lift the top of the blade, raising it off of the alignment tab. Then rotate the blade down and out of the cutter. To replace the blade, simply slide the tip of the blade along the blade carriage and rotate it up under the guard so it's seated properly over the alignment tab. Retract the blade and you're ready to go. Blade storage. The blade storage compartment conveniently holds 5 blades in the cutter. Simply lift at the release point on the blade storage compartment to unlatch and swing open. Gently use your index finger to press the blades from behind with the index finger and slide one blade out with your thumb. To close the compartment, just swing it back into the handle and press down to securely close. You are now ready to extend the box cutting blade and continue box cutting. Make the cut from the warehouse to the shelf. The Safety Swivel Holster, a companion product of the Safety First system, keeps your safety cutter close at hand for ease of use and safekeeping, and equally important is actually a safety device in itself. Comfortably clipped on your belt or pants, the holster automatically retracts the exposed blade as soon as the safety cutter is placed into the holster. S5 Safety Cutter. Reduce costs associated with cutter accidents, damaged merchandise, and choose the right tool for your workforce with the S5 3-in-1 Safety Cutter from the PHC Safety First system of products. Safety First system. Working safe every day.